Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use Fusion 360 and to use the Loft function. My application will be for making an adapter for my vacuum to my do-it-yourself dust separator for my shop. So we'll start out here on a blank table here, blank slab, and I'll do the sketch function. I'm going to choose the bottom. I'm just going to create a circle. I know my circle needs to be 1.9 inches in the outside diameter. 1.9. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll finish the sketch. Construct, offset the plane. I'll go ahead and click on this sketch I just created. And then I want this piece, the difference between my lofted sections, to be a 1/2 inch. So I'll go up a 1/2 inch, hit enter, move it back up. I'm going to create another sketch and I'll click on the plane I just created. I'm going to do a circle. And so this one needs to be 1.44 inches outside diameter. And then finish the sketch, create, loft, click this surface, this, they'll connect. So what I need now is a piece to come down from the bottom here, a 1/2 inch. So I'm going to use this offset plane again, click on that surface, bring it down a 1/2 inch, hit enter. I'm going to create a sketch, choose a plane I just created, make a circle. I'm going to make it the same size, 1.99 inches, or 1.9 inches, excuse me, hit enter. Then I'm going to use the loft, or finish the sketch, use the loft function to connect this surface to this surface, and that's done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Revolve function. So I'm going to move the surface. I'm going to square this up here a little bit. I like to look at the front. I'm going to use the green X or Y. I can't recall offhand what that is, but the green X is here. So I'm going to click on remove everything here. And I'm trying to line it up just to the left of this edge because that is where I'll rotate it. I'll go ahead and set it there. Click the revolve. Oh, yep, click the revolve. Click the axis, rotate it 90 degrees. Hit enter. So here I got my turn. Then I'll go off here and create another offset plane from here. Pull it back. I need this one to go 1 1/4 inches. So there we go. And then I'm going to sketch another circle on this plane. Circle 1.44. And then I will do the loft function. Oh, I have to finish the sketch. Do the loft function from this surface to this surface. Hit enter. Okay, that's my outside shape I want. And then my last part here will be to create a shell. So, because air is going to be going inside of it, so I want to select both the, I guess, inlet and outlet faces. I'm going to come here and I want a 0.1 inch wall thickness. And that's the final shape there. 1.24, that is the inside diameter I want because I'll have a hose going in there, and then this will fit inside of a PVC piece, so I want 1.9 outside diameter there. And then the last part, I will 3D print this piece, so the last thing I need to do is to move everything up. I don't know if this is actually necessary or not, but I want to make sure it's kind of sitting level on the field. And that's how you use the loft function to make a 90-degree piece for whatever your needs are. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'd love to answer them. Feel free to hit the like button too, letting other people know that you found this video helpful. Thank you.